Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing a bit of ratio, say a ratio recipe. My guest presenter is going to help me with this. Say I'm making 6 items, I don't know what they are, and I have a recipe that has 3 eggs and 150 mils of milk, and I want to make 18 of those items. My guest presenters are going to talk me through it. What do I need to do? If I've got 6 of these items made by these ingredients, how do I then make 18?
Times everything by 3.
I times everything by 3. Okay, so how many eggs will I now need? 9 eggs. And how much milk will I now need?
450 milliliters.
450 milliliters. Okay, so there we go. It's a quick example of an imaginary recipe using ratio and proportion, where I have to multiply by 3 to go from 6 to 18. So I multiply each of those items by 3. And that's a quick little video on ratio and recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And goodbye from all.
Bye!